Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Whitby for the day. So I'm actually at home with my parents and my brother, and we've decided let's get out, let's go see somewhere different, let's go for like a walk, get some food and show you what a day in Whitby is like before things start to open again. So it is the 6th of April, which means you are allowed outside with 2 households or 6 people. Like nothing like shops or pubs and restaurants are open yet, but obviously food for like takeaways and stuff are. So we'll just go and see what the crack is in Whitby. And I haven't been to Whitby in, God, years, but my mum and dad like to go all the time, so we thought it'd be a nice little jolly whilst I'm here for the Easter holidays.
Ready? Come on then. Go! Woo! Woohoo! Come on then. Come on.
Getting steps in before we're leaving for the day.
Go!
So they're playing this game. Let's go see what Dad's doing.
Oh. Are we ready?
What are you doing?
Just driving. Stop at Ailing Broadway and then I'll
Driving or what?
a 166.
Which is a train.
Yeah, it's that.
I'm filming today.
Okay, that's
Is
nice.
that alright?
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, my hair's atrocious, but whatever.
I mean, this looks better than mine.
I've got it since Christmas.
It doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Do a spin.
It's a little fringe thing. I don't like it. I like it sort of being like flat.
It's alright.
Yeah, well.
But we're going to Whitby.
It's
I
crazy.
can't remember last I went to Whitby.
I went 2 summers ago, 19 in summer, yeah, it was nice.
When did you last go to Whitby? About a week ago.
No, because I've been in lockdown. It'll be in October.
I haven't been probably in about like 10 years.
Haven't you?
10 years.
Really?
When did we last go like together?
That was in a while.
I reckon about 10 years.
No, we've been to
When did we go to Grant for 18?
no, that was
Brid.
Burlington.
Bridge.
But yeah, I'm excited.
Hi babes.
Fish offerings, not feed.
Quote from
Finding Nemo.
Bye.
Bruce.
Bruce. You can't come home.
You can.
No, you can't. You gotta go. Go on then. Tell us the plan.
Get to Whitby, and then we walk to Sands End.
Yeah.
Coffee and a cake.
Yeah.
Walk back and find some tea.
Can we go see Dracula?
Want to see the Abbey? I'm going to say.
We don't normally do that, no, but you can do the steps if you want.
Yeah, I want to see Dracula.
Okay.
Eden Camp. Although it doesn't look as big as I remember it as a child.
Never seen it as wild.
Really?
No.
It's scary, isn't it? It's like lashing down there. Oh.
haven't seen coast like this for years.
It's mad. Like, I'm actually a bit nervous to be down there. Like, look at the wave keeps like hitting. We're gonna get wet.
That's what we're saying. She's finding shelter and everything.
Don't fall over. Yeah, it's looking a bit
Nice, yeah, cheers for that.
Look at this. Ah! Oh my Jesus Christ! I think that just got wet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Taste on my lips.
Is that constant little drops?
Oh my God! Right, we're hoping these are gonna be happy turning around because my face is not gonna. Like, look, I'll show you my face right now. I got burnt the other day. Like, I'm actually bright red. Like, it's in pain. Are you trying to get wet? I can't do this. My face is. Look at my face. It's an actual pain because it's the burn. Look how red it is.
Can we walk with the wind towards the abbey?
Okay, so we've turned back. Oh my God.
Yeah, you stay there, Stephanie.
Please stay there. You will? Go on then.
It's a bit annoying when you just quit through them. You don't really like
Disney World. You're not allowed to move? Stay there, you can stay there.
Oh, look at my here. Oh, is it wet, Charlie?
Look at her face, she's buzzing. It's brilliant. Don't you love the power of it? No, it's terrifying.
Yes.
So that was a bit of a fail. Did you enjoy that, Mum?
I loved it. Absolutely brilliant. Shame we cut it short.
Stick together.
What's the plan? Then
Down
now,
for coffee and cake,
if it's open.
then back here, park up and walk into Abbey.
So the plan was to walk to this place, but obviously with the seeming like it is, us being in pain and other factors, we drove. So we're going to go get a bit of lunch at Sandside Cafe. I'll show you what we get when we get there. Hot chocolate. And I've got a barbecue pork box sandwich. We'll get a chocolate. Mum's on the phone, but sandwich, yum yum. Aftermath of eating lunch in the car.
You doing me,
Crumbs, you don't want crumbs. There was some
We'll
crumbs.
get them out when we finish.
You've just brought them in.
You've shot
Have
scraps
you
to
brought
pick up.
crumbs in? Crumbs from where?
It's on the bottom of the bag, look.
It's you. Oh, what you done?
That's what I'm saying. There's a leak in the bag.
There's a leak.
Look at his new car's a leak.
It's like living with fucking apes.
You just did that.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
And I ate my sandwich out the door and didn't drop a single bit.
You had a pulled pork, sticky pulled pork sandwich, and I had an aneurysm, and you didn't spill a drop. They've got a cake,
Oh, dear.
and it's like Mary Berry's back garden.
That's marking.
What?
It'll wash out.
Get it off.
You can't because if you do it, it's marking. Look.
Oh, we'll get a coffee and a cake.
Brushing up.
We'll get a coffee and a cake, it'll be lovely. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Still here. Still
Just put that on video.
cleaning.
I was joking. I thought it
Oh,
was
it's
nothing.
all down here.
Oh, for God's sake, Frank.
No, it's not me.
It was you.
Who's had a rocky road?
It was the
Oh, it's to
packet.
die for.
I didn't eat half of it, so let's see.
Hold to it.
No, stop it. Where is it now?
They're all down here.
Oh, God, Frank.
Don't blame me. It's a stupid tin can. At the end of the day.
Is that about your car? Your car's the tin can.
It's like hot chocolate.
Just needs a wet sponge.
Is that bad?
Don't look.
It's not oil or out like that.
A few moments later.
Don't worry.
Fine. Just
Crisis
move on.
averted. Oh wait, she's still going.
get it.
Problem solved?
Problem solved. Perfect.
Where to now? Where to she now?
Park where we parked before.
No, go straight, go into town.
No, Ross. I want some exercise.
You are in no position to give me a
Drive into town, Ross.
No.
See ya!
Come on, Jess.
Alright, let's go. Into the unknown! Into the unknown! Into the... There's not a picture. This is a nice view. I want a picture in this archway. And we're heading up to the Abbey. It's really nice.
Which one's
So we're going through this little tunnel to head into the town centre. But Mum keeps saying this is a ghost tunnel, but I don't know if she just means it's a bit creepy, to be honest. It doesn't look anything. It's a nice little spot though, isn't it? It's got a what? A lovely view. Okay, we're coming. Ah!
nice in here.
That is nice and there's no wind.
Isn't that stunning?
So pretty.
So, all the way down to the harbour.
Okay, so Whitby is pretty, but there's a lot of birds, and if you don't know, I am terrified of birds. So,
To ask.
what advert?
Where there's like pigeon heads and people.
No, I don't really watch TV, and I never want to see that advert in my life.
It's like that for food.
Wow. Over the bridge. And the steps begin. 199 to go. Whew. What are you looking at? It's what?
1793.
228 years.
Jeez. We are here. Whitby Abbey. I don't know. It's like a pool of stones.
Strange.
Who's that in the middle?
Pretty good. It's about Live Aid.
They're gonna go read it. No. The view from the top's pretty good. Oh, and there's a steam train. So he's happy. He's running.
I used to.
A vampire. Dracula. Yeah, I know about that. Right, so question. If you could never go to Whitby again and never go abroad again, what would you pick?
Abroad.
See, that's tough for me.
What would you pick?
No, I want to go in all the time.
Oh my
I'm
god.
not bothered if I
tough.
haven't seen on the way.
Ever?
Ever?
No.
There's so many
that
places.
would make me
I've
feel
got a lot of
panicky.
places on my list. But if you give me 10 years,
Just
tick them
tired,
off,
Just
and I've
tired.
seen all the places I want to go.
I've
Oh, are you tired? You're calling me Ross? That's not my name.
I'm just tired.
And now it's snowing. We always end up getting stuck in high when it snows. Do you know Norway?
Yeah, but no, it's snowing all the time. That was well.
She just stands in front of the camera and smiles. Look, it's snowing. I have sunburned from 2 days ago and it's now snowing. This is crazy. We're actually going to try and go into the ruins and see if we can have a wander around. Yeah, she said we need to go around, so we are going in. £8.25. I think it's like an Easter hunt thing. Woohoo!
Finally get some Easter eggs.
So yeah, we're gonna go inside, but we can only see the ruins, not actually go inside because it's like until 12. Down now it's like hailing. Lovely. And there's only one entrance open, so we have to walk all the way around. Oh my god, it's actual bouncing with hail.
Wow, that's fast, Jess. We run through, get buzz, jackets
Okay.
on it.
So I know the wind's going to be a nightmare, so I'm just going to put a bit of nice music over this B-roll of Whitby Abbey. What? Okay, apparently I'm gonna get blown away. I'm built. Are you ready? I'm not, I don't get that cold. It's all gone very quiet in Whitby. Oh, is that the magpie?
You know what it is, isn't it?
Ah. It's Dracula, what's he done? Yeah, it's just a bit dead, guys. We're on our way back to the car. I feel fresh.
You pass me a word, please.
Okay. Ooh. What, are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. What's the plan?
If someone could direct me the way home.
What are you doing for about food, Mum?
It's whatever you two want.
What, me and Dad? I'm not bothered, Dad, you choose.
I'm easy.
It's Chinese, isn't it?
Where did Chinese come from?
Well, because I thought we were going home. I don't know what's happening. I just go along with the flow.
We'll make a decision and we'll go. So after all that palaver, we've just decided we're going to come home and we've ordered a Chinese. The cat's vommed, so we've cleaned that up and yeah, we're just going to chill out because it's been a long day. I'm absolutely exhausted. My legs are really stiff, so I'm looking forward to a bath tonight. But thank you for coming along.
If you liked this video, then like, comment and subscribe, and I'm sure I'll see you real soon now that things are starting to open up again. Bye.